Menntamálaráðuneyti Íslands í samstarfi við Halldór Pál Halldórsson skólameistara kynnir með stolti Menntaskólinn að Laugarvatni.
She was a little girl that was driven by the drum bass. And when she smiled and she did so with her eyes and her whole heart and whole face. She never lacked content when she came into the club scene. And there was never any stopping at the bar, no, she was there till time she came to. That she heard my songs on MySpace. You wouldn't have believed her when she said her accurate age. She looked at least 10 years younger. You wouldn't have believed her when she said that she wanted to die. You got to let go of your insecurities. I don't think she wants to slow down. You got to set your mind at ease. You got to let go of your insecurities. I don't think she wants to slow down. You got to set your mind at ease.
Komdu í ML.
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 Kom þú í ML.
Komdu í ML.
Komdu í ML. Ég vil þig í ML.
Komdu í ML.
Já! Komdu í ML.